Welcome, festival friends! We have another easy festival hairstyle for you today. This style uses two 3-strand braids and incorporates a flower wreath. Start with the center part all the way down the back. You can put the hair in a ponytail first before braiding if it's easier. Start the 3-strand braid at the back of the head, level with the ear height, but not over the ear. This will keep the hairstyle towards the back of the head. Braid the hair as far down as you can. The smaller the tail end piece, the easier it will be to hide it in the end. Do the same thing to the other side, again pulling the hair towards the back of the head, level with the ear, but not over the ear. Make sure it's about the same height as the other braid. Braid to the end and secure it. Here's a trick. If you leave a piece of the hair out, reach between the individual plaits and feed it through the braid. Do this a few times, and you won't even be able to tell in the end. If you want your braid to look a little fuller, you can tug the outer edges of the individual plaits. Doing this will make the braid look a little wider, giving the illusion of more hair. See the difference? Check out our other braiding video, linked below, for a more detailed explanation of how to do this. Take the end of the braid and tie it to the start of the braid with a new hair tie. Hide the tail by tucking it inside the rest of the hair. We'll use bobby pins later to secure it. Do this on both sides. Here's another tip. Make sure the tail end elastic is pulled through the upper hair tie. This creates a bit of an anchor that helps it from pulling loose. Put the flower wreath on and tie it between the braids at the back of the head. It doesn't have to be perfect right now. We can fix it later. If your flower wreath just sits on top of the head, you can do it now or after you complete the style. Take one braid and feed it through the loop of the other braid. Pin the braids to the head with the braid loops slightly open. To really secure the bobby pins, create an X with the 2 pins. You will want to pin all the way around the braid, really concentrating on the tops of the braids. Fix the ribbons beneath the braid. You may want to double knot it to keep it secure all day long. Secure the front of the wreath with pins as well. We hope you enjoyed this tutorial. If you did, we would appreciate if you liked the video. Tell us in the comments your favorite tip from the tutorial. And consider subscribing to our channel for more hair tutorials, recipes, and other Scandinavian favorites for the Junction City Scandinavian Festival.